All right, we're learning that more sound bites are coming in at this point in time. Listen in.
माता जी आराम से क्या क्या बस एक यहाँ पे अंदर कोई नहीं आएगा, कोई नहीं है अंदर। माता जी आप बैठ जाइए, आप बैठ जाइए, आप बैठ जाइए। एक चलो भैया, आपसे मिले हैं उनके भाई, सोनम के भाई, आप संतुष्ट हैं? सचिन जी आप भी आइए, वो साथ देंगे, एक बार देंगे, आप भी विश्वास है? जी बोलिए। अरे यार तो हटाओ मत यार, अरे यार 2 मिनट में सिंगल कर लें, दो कर लेंगे सिंगल भाई। आराम से आपकी क्या बात हुई गोविंद से? माता जी आपके पास वो आए, भावुक थे, रो रहे थे, आपसे माफी मांगी उन्होंने।
गोविंद भैया से मैंने पूछा कि तुम सोनम से मिले थे कि नहीं मिले थे, पहले तो मेरे को ये बताओ। तो उन्होंने बोला कि मम्मी मैं सोनम से मिला था 3 मिनट के लिए। तो मैंने बोला कि उसको मारा क्यों नहीं तुमने? तो बोले मारने का मौका ही नहीं दिया, पुलिस और मीडिया इतनी सारी थी वहाँ पर।
क्या बात हुई आपकी?
बोला कि सोनम को फांसी दिलवाई जाए, गोविंद भैया ने बोल के गए।
आप गोविंद को माफ कर रहे हैं? आप उनको लगता है
वो राजा के लिए दुखी थे, वो जी राजा के लिए दुखी थे, सोनम के लिए दुखी नहीं है वो।
गोविंद की कोई गलती माता जी आपने?
गोविंद की कोई गलती
आपने गोविंद को?
All right, Ehtiyab back with me on the broadcast. Ehtiyab, we're getting live statements coming in from Indore at this point in time, where we're learning that Raja's mother has now said that the family demands that Sonam be hanged for her crimes. Of course, that is for the courts and the police to really decide. But what further are you picking up from the ground? Because Ehtiyab, quite interestingly, Sonam's brother has said that the family has disassociated from her. But Ehtiyab, the brother has also said that Sonam has not directly confessed to her involvement in the crime. It is the family, based on circumstantial evidence and the fact that Raj Kushwaha has been arrested, is trying to put the puzzle pieces together and do suspect that Sonam was involved in this murder. But her brother has still said that she has not said it directly.
Yes, definitely. Govind Raghuvanshi has spoken about this even prior to this statement, and in fact he had been speaking that unless and until everything goes clear, and as far as the statements of Sonam are concerned, when the police will confirm, then only things would be on our other side. But definitely one thing was sure, that he stood along with Raja Raghuvanshi's family. He always was in communication with Raja Raghuvanshi's family, even after the fact that Sonam was accused in this particular matter. She was being accused as being the primary conspirator in this particular murder, and in fact he had been speaking very vocally with the family. He had been in contact with the family, and even day before yesterday, when I was sitting with Raja Raghuvanshi's family, even they had the same opinion that unless and until things are clear that Sonam is guilty or Sonam has done this act. It was later yesterday evening onwards when Raj Raghuvanshi's family came to know that Sonam's involvement in this particular murder case has been as the prime accused. Things started turning around. Let us not forget, as far as Raja Raghuvanshi's family was concerned, they were actually concerned even after the death of their own son about Sonam's safety, and this was exactly the priority that they were holding. And when the things turned around, and when the police came out with the evidences that Sonam is directly involved in this particular murder, things changed. The family felt as if they had been betrayed, and in fact Govind also mentioned this particular thing, that I feel like betrayed, धोखा हुआ है इस पूरे मामले के अंदर. But still he has one particular point stating that he is just waiting for the other reports and the confession of Sonam in this particular matter.
Okay, Ehtiyab, stay on with me. Some more news coming in the recent developments in the Meghalaya murder case. Sonam Raghuvanshi has confessed